The idea that the mind is formed by a 9% conscious and a 91% subconscious is based on the theory that most of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are driven by automatic processes that occur outside of our awareness, particularly on trading. The common approach, which suggests that we can only get better by acquiring more new techniques and indicators, or trading more pairs and stocks, it's actually incomplete because only contemplates the 9% of our mental spectrum and ignores the other 91%. By the way, rainmaker traders, even if they are aware or not, master this 91%. In this particular case, we can see the different layers of our focus conform. The green dot represents the best part of our focus, called hyperfocus. Then, the yellow dot represents the peripheral view we have in every action we make, and the red dot in the part that our brain discards. Let's have an example that will help you to better understand this concept. Let's imagine a hunter. The green dot represents the focus needed to chase the deer. The yellow dot represents the peripheral view that helps to detect any danger, for example, the snakes. And the red dot represents the information that the hunter's brain discards. Now, let's look inside a struggler trader's mind. In this case, the green and yellow spectra are completely filled with big amounts of information from too many stocks, pairs, social media, and any other unnecessary information for the purpose of profit. This is the case of a 7 and 8 figure trader. The most obvious part of this picture is that they move away all the unnecessary information to their red spectrum. Then, they take the most of their green area in order to establish an absolute concentration of their pairs and stocks. By the way, they are super selective when it comes to choosing any pair or stock. The yellow side helps to perform certain activities which support the green area. Now, let's go back and have a look inside a struggling trader when it comes to choosing certain indicators, techniques, and pairs. In this particular case, the variables are so many that it is hard for our brain to establish a correct categorization and harnessing of the information, also called paralysis for analysis. Here we can see the simplification of the process since the beginning. The 7 and 8 figure traders are only focused, at most, in 3 stocks or pairs because they are aware of the damage that can be made by the paralysis for analysis. Less is more.